I mean, initially when I gave it that title, which came to me pretty early in the process, I was actually thinking of it as more kind of like ironic or tongue in cheek to give this title, Great Black Hope, to a book about a kind of upwardly mobile but downwardly spiraling gay black 20 something. And it was only in writing and then hearing how other people kind of interpret the book that I realized the duality of the title and that there is a real kind of sense of hope and starting again to the end of this novel, not unburdened by the past. Yeah, the notion that even if you go through hell and have all the kind of illusions that allowed you to move through the world ruptured, there is a way through that, and I guess the kind of answer is through community. And so I do think that readers, and I hope readers will take away a more hopeful feeling when they finish this book.